Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to resize your Google Pixel weather widgets right on your home screen. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, take a look at your home screen and locate your Pixel weather widget. This could be any of the weather widgets you've added, whether it's the small forecast display or the larger detailed version. Once you've found it, you're ready to start customizing its size to better fit your home screen layout. Now press and hold directly on the weather widget. You'll need to keep your finger on it for just a moment until the widget enters its edit mode. When this happens, you'll notice the widget slightly lifts up or gets highlighted, indicating that it's now ready to be resized. This is the key step that unlocks all the customization options for your widget. After entering edit mode, you'll see circles appear around the edges of the widget. These circles are your resize handles, and they're specifically designed to help you adjust the dimensions of your widget however you like. Each circle corresponds to a different direction you can stretch or shrink the widget, giving you complete control over how it looks on your screen. To adjust the width of your weather widget, simply drag the circle on the right side of the widget. You can drag it outward to make the widget wider or drag it inward to make it narrower. This is particularly useful if you want the widget to span across more or less of your home screen horizontally. The widget will smoothly resize as you drag, so you can see exactly how it will look in real time. Next, to adjust the height or length of the widget, drag the circle that appears on either the top or bottom edge. Dragging it upward or downward will make your weather widget taller or shorter depending on your preference. This allows you to create a more compact widget if you're short on screen space, or expand it to show more weather information at a glance. The resizing is completely flexible, so experiment with different sizes until you find what works best for your home screen setup. And that's it. You've successfully resized your Google Pixel weather widget to perfectly fit your home screen preferences. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.